Hello, everyone. Robert Blackman from your customer success team here. I'm here today to quickly point out some Nestfully app updates since its first launch and to share with you how to submit your suggestions for the app. So remember, this isn't just a free app and a cool tool. This is a platform several MLSs are building together. So if you see something that could be better, submit it right in the My Nest section of the app. So what I mean by that is when you click in the app and you click into the My Nest section, if you scroll a little further down, you'll see there's an option for help and feedback. If you click into that help and feedback section, you'll see an option here to submit a ticket. That's where you can submit your suggestions to improve the app. So anything that you'd like to see in the app, any fields you'd like to see in the app, or anything you'd like to see change with the app, that's where you can submit that ticket. I'll show you another place where you can submit a ticket, but we'll get to that in a minute. But your voice does make a difference. And we've already rolled out features based on your direct feedback so far. Some of those included manually being able to add your contacts, accessing agent-only remarks, agent remarks right there from within Bright listings. It'll show as private remarks just below the About section of any listing. You'll also see the documents are now visible within the app for agents to view, download, and share with their leads. So we're just getting started. So certainly make sure you've downloaded the Nestfully app, so you have and have the updated version so you can see these great features. As always, you can reach out to the Nestfully support team at info@nestfully.com if you need any assistance. And you can even submit feedback right to that email address. So if you're looking to include screenshots and such, that's how you can send it right there in the info@nestfully.com email address. To learn more about the Nestfully app or join an upcoming, we suggest joining an upcoming Nestfully class, which is one of the many great classes available at brightmls.com/education or under the education tab in your brightmls.com account. You can also visit nestfullyhelp.com for some video tutorials. So thanks for watching and happy searching.